Hi everybody, this is Tina from Tina's Messy Crafty Life. How are you? I hope you're good. I'm here with a unboxing from Cross Stitch VIP. And I've never done cross stitching, so it was an opportunity to try something new. And Diamond was here, my daughter, the day that I was reading the email, and then I went over to the shop and I was showing her, and I let her pick out what one, because her and I are going to try to do this together this winter. So you won't see this finished for a while. She loves Jack and Sally from The Nightmare Before Christmas. She just loves that. So this is the one she picked out. It looks like that. Let's see what we get in the bag. So, and like I said, I've never done cross stitching, so I have no idea what any of this stuff is. And so we get a pattern thing to follow, I believe. And then we get the instructions for cross stitch. But Diamond said she has a friend that does cross stitching, so her friend said she'd be happy to kind of show us. Wow. And all the lovely string to go with it. And then, oh, it's pretty nice. It's not a nice size. I was like, and do we get a safety pin? Right there. Oh, we get two. I was like, what type of pin do you use? So that's cool. Now figuring out how to do it is going to be the fun part. So, good winter project. Oops, sorry, I hit the camera. Like that. I don't want to lose anything, so put it right all back in the bag. So that's something that Diamond and I are going to work on. Get a lesson in doing it. And then I also picked this because my eyesight's not the best. They had this little LSD dual cut desk handheld magnifying glass. I thought this was interesting. So let's see, we'll get it. It's in this nice little box. Get the USB cord. Get the directions and a cleaning rag. And this is what I liked about it. You can bring it up. And I put over whatever I'm working on. Or use it like that. I may have to charge it. But I believe it lights up as well. Yep. Hardware level line. Yep. Yep, it lights up. See, it lights up around the ring. So I'm going to be charging that. I don't know if I have to put batteries in it as well. That's what called directions for, hey? Alright. Okay. Wow. Perfect. Woo! Wow, this is really magnifying. I can't even... Oh, there we go. There we go. Okay. Hey, I like this already. Down right underneath, you guys can see the lettering. Oh, isn't that cool? Cool. Some things I have to get a magnifying. I'm always grabbing it. Dual Cricut product can adapt power. So I can put batteries in it as well. That's what it acts like, I think. See, this is where my husband comes in. I'll let him look at it more than me. I don't do electronics that well, so I will hand this off to Scott, and he will figure it all out for me, and all that good stuff. But I will have Cross Stitch VIP store linked in the description box below. So go over, check them out, and see if there's anything that you like. If you're a cross stitcher, they have other things as well. And I want to thank you guys for watching. As always, be happy, be kind, be safe, be funny, be crafty, and bye for now.